Are you looking for the best countersink drill bits in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best countersink drill bits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the FTG USA Countersink Drill Bit Set for Woodworking. The FTG USA Countersink Drill Bit Set is a reliable woodworking tool that can drill, countersink, and counterbore in one step. The set includes 5 size drill bits with countersink, 2 stop collars, and 1 Allen wrench. The tapered drill bits have a pointed tip and wide flute for drilling fast, clean pilot holes, ensuring a tight fit for screws. The countersink bits are adjustable and have a chamfer angle of 82 degrees, allowing for smooth countersinking in both hard and soft wood. The bits are third-party tested and made with HSS M2 grade 6542 steel, making them harder than other similar drill bits. Up next in the 4th place is the Toolant Silence Countersink Drill Bit Set. The Toolant Countersink Drill Bits set features a unique single-blade design that eliminates chatter, allowing you to achieve smooth finishes with precision. The durable high-speed steel construction prevents breakage, making these bits reliable for various drilling tasks. You will appreciate the ability to drill, countersink, and counterbore in a single step, saving you time and effort. Additionally, the adjustable depth feature accommodates different wood thicknesses, making it easy for you to work with various materials, from softwoods to composites, without hassle. The 3rd product on our list is the EZARC 15-piece Countersink Drill Bit Set. The EZARC Countersink Bit Set is a comprehensive 15-piece collection designed for all your woodworking needs. This set includes various tapered drill bits and wood plug cutters, allowing you to tackle different projects with ease. The nitride-treated high-speed steel construction enhances durability, ensuring the bits last longer than standard options. With adjustable depth stop collars, you can achieve precise control over hole depths, resulting in a professional finish. The sharp cutters and optimal counterbore angle allow for smooth drilling in both hard and soft woods, making your tasks quicker and more efficient. Second on our list is the Amana Tool 55227 Carbide Tipped Countersink Set. The Amana Tool 55227 Carbide Tipped Countersink Set is an essential tool for every woodworker, featuring an 82-degree countersink set with adjustable drill bit depth stop and no thrust ball bearing. The set includes a countersink bit, a slow spiral HSS M2 fully ground drilling bit, and a quick-release 1/4 inches hex shank, making it excellent for cutting natural woods, man-made boards, MDF, chipboard, plywood, aluminum/non-ferrous, aluminum composite material, decking materials, and high-density polyethylene. The carbide tipped drill bits ensure long-lasting cutting-edge performance and tool life. As an industrial-quality tool, Amana Tool is a worldwide leading tool provider with USA-based corporate headquarters and warehouse specializing in industrial-quality cutting tools. Finally, the top product on our list is the Pylevemv 5-piece Countersink Drill Bit Set. The Pylevemv Countersink Bit Set is designed for those who seek precision in their woodworking projects. Made from high-quality materials, these bits are sharp and durable, reducing cutting resistance for reliable performance. With their 82-degree tip, they create countersink holes in wood, plastic, and metal, though they are not suitable for stainless steel. The set includes 5 different sizes, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your task. Additionally, the 5-flute design enhances efficiency by ensuring quick debris removal, resulting in smoother finishes for screws and fasteners. This combination of features makes your projects easier and more professional. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.